What's up, everyone? Welcome back to SBE Aesthetics. I am your licensed esthetician, professional makeup artist, and on this channel, I show you beauty, lifestyle, entrepreneurship videos, and all about being an esthetician, which benefit you to become a better you. Okay, you guys, so as you can see, I am filling in my eyebrow. Now I'm going to be going in with my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Almond, and I'm going to be using that to clean up my brow area. Then I'm going to be using this cut crease blending brush. It's a firm one, and I'm going to use that to blend out the cream of the concealer. I love how it leaves a clean finish, you know. You want to make sure it's blended out very good. I'm going to go ahead and do the other eye off camera. So now I'm going in with my Rumor 03 in the shade, and it's by P. Louise, and I'm going to be applying that all over my eyelid. I'm using this as a base, so this is going to help bring out my eyeshadow color. So now I'm going to be going in with those two browns that you saw me point out in the Black Radiance contour palette. And I'm going to be adding the lightest one first, and I'm applying that one in my crease area. Then after that, I will be applying the darker one as you see me do. You guys, this is a full glam makeup look. I used about 3 or 4 eyeshadows and glitter. So yeah, just watch and enjoy. So now the first clip on the right, you see me, on the left, you see me just finishing up with the light brown. And then the bigger one, you see me going in with the darker brown. So I'm going to just continue to add that darker brown underneath the crease area to give it a more deep and in-depth look. So now I'm going to be adding some black eyeshadow. This eyeshadow is a single eyeshadow from MAC in the shade Carbon. I'm going to be adding that on the outer corner of my eye area to even deepen the look even more. And you guys will see how it comes out. So next I went in with the J. LaRue eyeshadow loose pigment. It's white in the shade Ghost. This eyeshadow took me by surprise. It's so pigmented. It's a pigment white and I love it. And I'm going to be applying that with this small fluffy brush, as you see me do, and it came out really good. It wasn't patchy at all. I was just filling in a little uh, spot because I didn't have enough of it on the brush, but it has a great color payoff. So now I'm going to be going in with this black NYX liquid eyeliner, and I'm going to be lining up my line. I'm going to be lining up my eyes. I can't talk today for some reason. I'm going to be lining up my eyes. I'm taking my time. Forgive me for my camera. For some reason throughout the video, it kept going in and out the blur, but forgive me. Okay, you guys, so I went on ahead and added some glue to the inner corner of my eye. Then I'm going to be going in with that J. LaRue black glitter. I think it's called, or it's in the shade of Falling Star. And I'm going to add that in the inner corner. So far, so good. So I'm just building it up. I'm adding a little bit more. I was going to take this glitter and apply it in the center of my eye, on my eyelid, but I didn't. I guess I just did the inner corner. So yeah, I'm using two primers. One is a hydrating primer, it's Spackle, and then one is from NYX. And I'm just gonna apply both of those. The reason why I'm using two, because one kind of acts as a moisturizer, so. So I'm going in with that Revlon foundation. I love Revlon foundation. It's pretty cool. It's a nice drugstore brand. But I'm going in with that foundation. I'm rubbing that all over my face, as you see me do. Then after I do that, you will see me apply my highlight, which is my concealer. And that will be also LA Pro Girl in the shade Almond. It's important that you blend out your concealer with a damp beauty blender or sponge. That way it can press into your skin a little bit more. It doesn't feel like you're tugging at your skin. And you're going to see me do that. So now I'm just taking a smaller, well, a bigger blending brush, sorry, for the face. And I'm going to be adding that MAC press powder that you saw me show you guys. And I'm applying that. Usually I use Laura Mercier first, but I ran out. Now I'm going to be going in, adding some of that black eyeshadow from MAC at the bottom of my lash, just to give my eyes more definition. So now I'm going to be going in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills bronzer. I cannot remember, mahogany. It's in the shade mahogany, I believe. I'm going to use that as a contour. I'm not really big on contours because, as you can see, I naturally have a contour um, in my cheek area. And I just more so like to go for powders for my contours. Then I'm going to go in with this Wet n Wild highlighter, which I truly adore. I love it so much. It's so pretty. But before I do that, I sprayed myself. I started doing that because the highlighter is more intense and I like it. So I spray a little bit and then I add the highlighter. Okay, so now I'm going to be going in with my pink blush from Fit Me. And I'm going to apply that on my cheek area, the apple area. And I just want to bring some more, some color to my face. Okay, you guys, so this is the finished look, you guys. I hope you guys enjoy this look that I called White Smoke. I really, truly adore this look. I think it's pretty. I think it came out pretty cute and nice. I like that I added the black glitter. It was different in the corner of my eye. So I thought that was really cute. I love the gloss lip. I was going to do a black lip, but I said, no, we're going to keep it natural looking. But yes, enjoy, you guys. I appreciate you. Please subscribe to the channel. Until next time, see you later.